Wow, this new collection so beautiful. If you're looking for a classy, elegant look, you need this. Yes, people talking this is boring collection. It's gorgeous. Hi everyone, this is Katrina and I'm your favorite beauty stylist, and today I'm introducing to you brand new Chantecaille full eyeshadow palette and pretty beautiful 3 nude lip colors. If you're not yet familiar with Chantecaille brand, this is your very luxurious and expensive brand, which one we carry at Nordstrom. Yes, I'm still working for Nordstrom and I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. Give me like, subscribe, thumbs up, love you more than ice cream. Just kidding, but I really like this collection. We have with you beautiful first packaging, and Chantecaille, if you not yet know, this is its brand. I will say save the planet. They support animals, they donate money for cheetahs, for elephants. They are big planet supporter or animal. We have here beautiful 3 colors. Let me show you these 3 colors really close. This eyeshadow palette have 3 colors: creamy matte color, then we have a brown matte color, and then little bit shimmer, little bit sparkly brown color. This is eyeshadow palette, $78. Yes, it looks basic, but you know what? When I go to work or you go to work, you don't need nothing crazy eye colors, sorry. You need something everyday eyeshadows. This will be your everyday eyeshadow palette, but how I apply and how I will create for you look, can be your day, night, or even special event. And let me show you this beautiful lipstick lip balm very close. I want you to see colors. I want you to see these little details on a lipstick. This collection includes 3 beautiful lip wear lipstick. They are kind of expensive, $54, but they are so beautiful. First color is Desert Lily, second color it's Wild Sienna, and the darkest color is Acacia. So many people will say, oh my god, why are they so expensive? First, remember, we are supporting animals. Then this lipstick, paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free, fragrance free, mineral oil free, GMO free, gluten free, they're made in Italy, and they also a vegan lips. Okay, let's start creating a beautiful look with Chantecaille. And you know what? All products which one I'm gonna use on my eye area and create this look, I'm gonna use all Chantecaille products. First, eyeshadow primer, color medium on entire my eyelid. It almost looks like invisible, but what it does, it's gonna make my eyeshadow stay all day long. Then I'm gonna use Chantecaille nude eyeliner. It's one of my favorite nude eyeliner, and I'm gonna use under my brow bone. It's not white, it's a beautiful nude color. And with flat concealer brush, I'm gonna just slightly soft this color. Eyeliner is done, and now I'm gonna use light cream eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply on my upper lid. And I'm not putting this color all the way to my brow bone. Where's my close to my brow bone, we have, as you remember, eyeliner. I'm just applying above, but not on my low lid. Just, I will say, kind of on the center. Third step, I have another big blending brush, and it's from brand North. I love North. We're gonna use this beautiful, beautiful brown matte color. I apply right here on my lower lid, and I pushing this color little bit up. And then kind of angle way, I pushing this color close to my brow corner. Let's reapply a few more times to build a color. And let's add a little bit more this darker eyeshadow on my lower lid. We have with you only 2 eyeshadow, and it already looks beautiful, natural. After 40, you want this look. Makeup, no makeup, whereas like everybody will say, oh my god, you look young and pretty. I have right now rose water from Chantecaille. Of course, I'm gonna take a shower with this product because I love this water. Now I'm gonna use my little finger, and I'm gonna use this little shimmery eyeshadow. It looks more shimmer than sparkle, and let's apply right here on the center my eyelid. It's not too intense. I'm glad I use setting mist, or I will say to me this it's like more refreshing mist for my makeup. I apply again on the center my eyelid. It's so pretty. It gives me the sparkles. My eyes look more sexy, more wake up, and it just like this, like pop pop pop. I just have fun today. Okay. Now I apply a little bit sparkles on the center my eyelid. I love this reflection. It's have little bit shimmer, little bit sparkles, but they're not tacky, they're not too big. Time to use black eyeliner. I'm gonna use black eyeliner between my lashes underneath, then we're gonna make a little bit wing liner. Should we put a little bit eyeshadow underneath? I think so. Now I'm gonna use a small blending brush from North, and I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow little bit underneath. Time for black eyeliner. First, I'm applying underneath of my lashes, between my lashes. I love Chantecaille eyeliner. It's gel, it's so beautiful formula. And then I will apply on top of my lashes this eyeliner too. Now I have a Chanel eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna slightly soft this black eyeliner. Eyeliner, it's done on top, and now I'm gonna use same brush, but it's almost nothing on my brush, very little eyeliner. I'm gonna slightly little bit put underneath, very softly. Again, it's no eyeshadow, it just left over eyeliner on the brush. Now let's add a little bit this nude eyeliner on my waterline. It's gonna give me nice beautiful pop, and if your eyes it's tired or you tired, always use nude eyeliner. It always will give you this extra, I will bring freshness and vibrantness to your eye. And now I'm gonna use mascara on my lashes. I want my eyelashes to look big, fluffy, And then I'm gonna show you something else. It's very important if you wanna look beautiful and fabulous every day. Mascara it's done and I love my eyes, but let's finish this look with this amazing product from Chantecaille. This is its correcting pen. Basically it's little bit concealer, it's little bit eye cream together. I always tell my clients, keep this in your purse. When you leave in work, you're going somewhere and you want little bit to refresh your eye look, use this product. I love this product. Again, I just applying, I'm using my beauty blender, will brighten my eye area, will refresh my eye look, and I pushing this eye concealer little bit up. It's gonna give me this extra lift, brighten my eye, and I will look like 10 years younger. A little bit pale, but not for long time. I'm gonna use a beautiful blush from Chantecaille and it's color Grace. I love this color and it's a perfect blush for all three lip colors I have for you. Now let me show you all this brand new three lip color, and I'm gonna use only one lip liner. It's color Natural. It's perfect for all the three colors. First color is Desert Lily. First color is Desert Lily. Very beautiful, soft, pinky, neutral undertone lipstick. I love this color. Of course, let's try two. Second color is Wild Sienna. And I just discovered something. Let me try third color. Third color is Acacia. It's so pretty. Give me this nice, beautiful color. It's not too light, it's not too rich. It's a perfect color for fall. Girls, if you are looking for fall beautiful lip color, Acacia is the winner. Love you with an ice cream. I hope you have fun with me. Please comments below, give me like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.